Meet my high school classmates. But this was when we were in high school. Meet Gwen, Kel and Jamie, Rain and Belos, Nicolai and Tino, Louie and Ali, the Paz sisters, Kate and Pony, Zam, and of course, me. And this is what happens when you put all of these people again in the same room after 8 years, but now as adults.
Sobrang funny.
That's for you.
Hi guys!
Fantasy na pala.
Gabi naman yung...
Second table. Say hi, guys. Uy, nag-existence ko
Guys, kaya na ulit kami nagkita after how many years? Kaya nakita ko sila nung November, October. Kami ngayon sa France and we are gonna have
Brown talaga.
okay, introduction daw each.
Hello po, I am Tino from UP Diliman. BS Industrial Engineering.
Hi, I'm Rain from UP Diliman, BA Journalism.
Hi guys, my name is
Ayun talaga.
Hi guys, this is Christian Madarite and I'm your PUP. DSBA HRM guys.
Diana, I'm from UST.
Program.
You know me? May mag-Japanese ka? Ohio!
Wait lang, laugh ako.
I'm Catherine. I'm from Hiroshima University. And UP Diliman, Special Education. 19, single, ready to mingle.
I'm Kel, University of the Philippines Open University, Multimedia Studies.
Hi, I'm Nicolai from UP Diliman, Bachelor of Arts in Sociology.
Ticket din sa exposure. Hi guys, see you later. Hi guys.
I'm currently
Hi guys! Welcome to
Mixology.
Oh, this group is called Mixology. Actually, botanist. Bakit naging bota? Kasi naka-boots kami ngayon. Patawa ko na medyo. Balik ka boots. Ito yung timpla mo. Anong
Guys,
juice
first time
yan?
ko magtimpla. This
What
is
juice?
cranberry.
This one is grapes.
Ang great. Napakita din.
So,
Ituro natin sa kanila paano.
Hello po.
right.
It's like seeing an ex.
Guys, you need a pitcher of water.
Which is shock.
Yes. Ilalagay mo yung grapes doon.
Dito mismo.
Diyan daw mismo.
Well, first off, you're gonna pour a little bit of gin into the mixture.
Without the juice.
Patawa, mixture daw, water lang yan. Alagyan na po ng
Mixed berries.
a choice of your juice.
My choice.
A flavor.
Something verb agreement. Parang mali yun.
My choice is
Magpaikot na ba tayo ng alak para may nangyayari?
Hala ko na yung
Wala. Paano yung ikot mo? Paano yung ikot mo? Magpapaikot pa kami ng alak. Parang komedya nyo. Ng Showtime family to. And we're the baristas. Okay, ngayon guys, pupunta po tayo sa Kim. Say hi guys. Ang galing.
Bea, I'm the teacher to the friar.
I am Althea.
She's the friar.
I'm Aliana. Ang neneng Dina.
Have that for you, Queen. Next.
Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm the brother.
Ang galing.
Guys, I'm Louie and I will fry the fish fillet.
Ang galing.
Fryers.
Ano ba yan?
Fish fillet. Fish fillet.
Take me into your world. Hindi ba yun yung sinasabi? No? Lock in. Dati nagluluto yan sa competition sa Alt.
Nanalo kami.
Nanalo tayo nun. Sobrang
First place.
panalo yung appetizer namin. No? Ayos po kami. Nakaget up. Galing kasi kami Christmas party. Diba?
Binubot namin yung prof namin. Quadriplegic siya.
Hello, transfers?
College, lapitan. Oh my God.
Diba? Parang pagod na talaga ako.
Yan ang ginagawa ko daw.
High school drama although.
Medyo ako, guys.
Lasing na siya, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hindi na po si Catherine.
Sobrang funny. From
Woodrow Hill!
Woodrow Hill!
Abes All hail to thee, beloved school, and devotions to the full. We bid you farewell. Bow, 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 bow. Yung story of Drew.
Count number 2.
Guys, mahalagang story.
Hindi ako hindi ako mabilis matamaan pag bar. Pero kapag sa bahay, ganun. Uy, ako rin. Bakulang sa bar. Sa bar kasi, isipin ko kayo buhay mo.
Dito kasi, I love you guys.
Hindi mo. Parehas lang.
Uy, ano?
Totoo naman. Oo, mahinig.
Ulit na ako.
Parang binobola ko. Tingnan mo.
Hi guys, time check, 7:42. And,
Yung mga Pilipino.
ito na yung mga status ng mga tao. After ilang bote ng gin.
Kabila yun eh.
Ayan. Pati mojito. So, first, Rain. Si Rain, okay pa. Nicolay.
May pa.
Me and Gwen. Si Lisa din, okay pa. Si Ali. Siya, iniyakan niya na kami lahat kasi love niya kami. Si Kilingan, hindi ko na alam kung nasaan. Sila sumasayaw.
Kaya vlog ba yan?
Yeah, okay pa din si Zab.
Boy, wait lang. Okay.
Din.
Okay din ako. Mahal mo kasi sila. Napaproud kasi ako sa kanila.
Okay din.
Four na.
Guys,
Four.
I
Wait, ang
want...
fifth na ata to eh.
I wanna clear up something. I drink so hard. Pag Cuervo, Jaeger, tequila, vodka. Pag gin bilog.
Ibig sabihin nahina ka pa rin. Sila ko.
Hindi na ako. Pag gin bilog. Look at me.
Si Bea, tinan nyo guys.
Gabi guys.
Buhay na buhay.
So that's it for this vlog guys.
Guys, iyak nang iyak si Catherine.
Oh, Bea, mag-outro ka, Bea. Oh.
I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Kasi ngayon na lang ulit sila, ngayon ko na ulit sila nakasama dito. So, see you! Kailan tayo magkikita ulit? Thank you guys! Bye-bye! Say bye guys! See you next time!
Alam niyo kung ba't ako umiiyak? Lahat ng tao sinasabi, I'm so proud of you.
Bye-bye!
Kasi like,
Bye-bye snaps by Bea.
Guys, Japanese na si Catherine.
No.
Hey guys, see you next time.
Mag-uwi po siya ng Nihongo.